फ्लाईओवर पर पहुंच चुके हैं। अंजना।
Well, you have here Pankaj Upadhyay there following Rhea Chakravarti's convoy right behind. In fact, Rhea is now being taken in for a medical test. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti, a lot of reports tell us that Rhea Chakravarti has admitted to organizing drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput and also consuming them at times. Now, this comes while at the same time, just a few weeks ago, Rhea Chakravarti, in multiple interviews there, even while speaking to India Today, said that she has not consumed any drugs. But here, sources tell us that it could be possible that Rhea has consumed it herself, along with, of course, organizing it for Sushant. And she may have admitted this before the NCB sleuths. Now, of course, a lot of information coming in from the NCB sources, all source-based information until official statement is out from the NCB. It's, of course, all source-based. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti is now being charged for harboring illegal substances, for procuring it and even supplying. Also is a mention in one of those allegations there against her. The charges against her also include supplying, consuming, of course, harboring drugs. On the whole, Rhea Chakravarti, along with Shobik, also the house manager Samuel Miranda, even Deepesh Sawant, the housemate, have now been arrested. All of them are in custody. In fact, Rhea Chakravarti now is being escorted for a medical test. Right after the medical test, if she is deemed fit, then she will be in the NCB custody, in the NCB lockup for as long as she gets bail. Now, will Rhea Chakravarti get bail? Is there a likelihood for her to get bail in a day or two or more? Divyesh joining us more details on that. Divyesh, is there a likelihood of Rhea Chakravarti getting bail here? That's the all-important question here. She's now been arrested. She's taken into NCB custody. She's been taken in for a medical test. If the medical test deems her fit, then she will be in lockup, NCB lockup as per you. She will eventually be questioned by the NCB for a few days. Is there a likelihood for her to get bail at all? And if not, what's going to be the procedure now for Rhea Chakravarti? Will she be facing questioning every day as long as she is in custody?
Nabila, it is up to the court. When court hears both the sides, the Narcotics Control Bureau and the defense from Rhea's side as well, it is up to the court that will decide whether to send her to NCB custody or send her into judicial custody. Once she is sent in judicial custody, she will be granted bail. She can be granted bail by the court. Meanwhile, before she is produced in court, because remember, if she has been shown arrested at 3 p.m. or 5 p.m., she has to be produced in court within 24 hours. But as of now, it is not clear whether she'll be produced in court today or tomorrow. The production could happen only through video conferencing, and when the video conferencing happens, both the sides, the public prosecutor and the defense, can argue through video conferencing itself. A link has been created specially for this case. That is what the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court order states. But it is not yet clear whether she can be granted bail or whether she'll be sent to custody. It is only the court which will decide after hearing arguments from both sides. And if she is produced tomorrow in court, today she'll remain in the NCB lockup and will be interrogated by the Narcotics Control Bureau as an arrested accused.
Well, here, Divyesh, what Rhea Chakravarti has justified time again is that whatever I did it for Sushant. She's been constantly saying that whatever she did in terms of procuring drugs, she did at the behest of Sushant. She bought drugs because Sushant asked her to. She is now, of course, looking like, she's portraying herself to be an innocent, almost a victim of being in love with a drug addict, and all she did was honor the love that she had for Sushant. She's shifting the blame here, while ideally this is illegal substances that we're talking about. Rhea is a grown adult. If she's committing such a crime by procuring drugs, even if it is in the name of love, does that give her any concession in this case at all?
No concession at all. This crime is a crime, and that is why under the NDPS Act, a person facilitating the procurement despite non-consuming it herself, not buying it herself, but only by facilitating the procurement of a banned narcotic substance is a crime in the country, and that is why she is being charged. She is being charged with sections 8C, 27, 28, 29 of the NDPS Act, and all are non-bailable sections, and that is why she is being placed under arrest, and it will only after the court hears arguments from the both sides, it will be decided whether she gets bail or she goes to judicial custody. Once she's sent into judicial custody, then a bail or application can be moved by the defense lawyer, and the court will decide whether she be granted bail or she'll remain in judicial custody for 15 days.
Well, Divyesh, we understand that she's more or less admitted to the NCB sleuths there that she has bought drugs for Sushant and at times may have even consumed it. Any word on that? Because earlier she's claimed that she's never touched any banned substances. She's not consumed any drugs. But we hear sources tell us that she's sort of admitted to consuming it at times with Sushant.
See, there are two different sections, two different cases over here. One is of consumption, another is of procurement. Ria did admit, because it was crystal clear in her WhatsApp messages, she's talking about procurement of drugs. She's facilitating procurement through her brother, Shovik Chakrabarti, who then contacts drug peddlers, and drug peddlers hand it over to Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, who then transported back to Ria's residence, Sushant's residence, and the Waterstones resort. Ria has not admitted to consuming narcotic drugs, but these messages are a clear indication that she was discussing drugs, and that is what she's confessed to. She said it was for Sushant Singh Rajput that the messages were sent, but she's also said in her defense that it was Sushant who dictated those messages. She just typed it out and sent. And she's also mentioned that Sushant did it earlier too, with his friends, with his staffers and his co-actors as well. He would ask them to procure drugs for him, and he would consume drugs with them, with his friends, co-actors, and it was since 2016, while shooting for the movie Kedarnath, that Sushant got hooked to drugs.
Well, a lot of information that she's revealed to the NCB sleuths there, Divyesh. We do know that this is just getting as and when we speak. The NCB, of course, is doing their duty and tracking down on all those links connected to this entire case. There are a few more peddlers that the NCB has cracked down upon. Do we know who they are? At least 6 peddlers have been arrested, and all of them have somehow the NCB has managed to establish links between those peddlers to Sushant. Is that right? That all of them have had links with Ria Chakrabarti and Shovik?
No, this is not correct, Nabila. This is not correct that all the peddlers have direct links to Sushant Singh Rajput. Those peddlers have been arrested, and it is through one peddler, another peddler, his supplier, the co-supplier, the smuggler, the person smuggling drugs into the country, the whole nexus, the network, any drug network, any cartel is busted in the same manner. Remember, NCB is carrying out a reverse investigation. They initially caught the supplier, then caught peddlers. Then through peddlers, they reached Shovik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda, and then Ria Chakrabarti. But all the peddlers do not have any links to Ria Chakrabarti, and there is no direct link with Ria Chakrabarti of anyone. As of now, our sources have told that Ria Chakrabarti didn't communicate directly with any of these peddlers. It was through her brother, Shovik Chakrabarti, that the procurement was done.
Right. Give us establish to us what was the link of Ria then with these peddlers at all? What was the communication link here, Divyesh?
So that is what I pointed out, Nabila. There is no direct communication link between Ria Chakrabarti and the drug peddlers. It was through Shovik Chakrabarti
that Shovik was the link.
Drug was being procured. Ria messaged Shovik. Shovik contacted the peddlers, and then those peddlers handed over the drug to Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant. Remember, I would again make it clear. Ria Chakrabarti, in her statement, has said she was with Sushant. Sushant wanted drugs. A message is sent from Ria Chakrabarti to Shovik Chakrabarti's phone discussing procurement of particular drug named Doobies or Buds. Shovik Chakrabarti then contacts peddlers Basit, Kaizan and Zaid, who are his contacts. He has been in direct touch with them. Zaid, Basit and Kaizan provide drugs, agree to providing drugs, and these drugs are collected or received by Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant on multiple occasions. Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant then transported to Sushant's residence, Ria's residence and Waterstones resort. This is the complete circle. And through this circle, NCB is going further on the supply chain, hitting the supply chain of these peddlers, hitting all those who are supplying drugs to these peddlers. Remember, these peddlers are also being supplied these drugs. They are not the ones manufacturing it. They are being supplied by someone. And those suppliers, Anuj Keshwani, who was arrested, was a supplier of Kaizan Ibrahim. And that is why he has been arrested.
Well, whether they're supplying it or they're manufacturing it, it all comes under illegal substances. It still comes under. It's all banned, and that activity itself is a crime. Here we're looking at peddlers who are in the dock. Of course, the supply chain needs to be caught. It needs to be cracked down upon, which we believe that the NCB is working on. But here you're saying, Divyesh, if you can tell us, if you're saying that there's no link between Riya Chakravarti and the peddlers, it's just an indirect link. In fact, Shovik was the link there between the peddlers and Riya Chakravarti. All that we understand so far is whatever's been established